Eagle Song Gardener here at RavenCroft Garden. Today we are starting a new compost. It's mid-December, but even at that we can begin by laying the bottom on this compost with stalks and debris that we've been collecting through the summer that's really fibrous but also airy. So we have sunflower stalks, fennel stalks, elecampane. All of these break down really well. Blackberries, vines, canes also work really well. So when you're gardening and you want to make a compost in the BOCA fashion, what's really important is to have these good, strong, airy stalks at the bottom to promote air circulation at the base. We had a chicken laying an egg there somewhere, and the rooster wants to let us know it's all his doing, no doubt. So anyway, we want that airy, woody debris at the base, and also to have the base connected to the earth, and then the worms will come up through that and into the compost as it's working. This is a bin that was started in midsummer, and it is now going to be able to continue working through the winter. Get back here a ways so you can see. This is about a 4 or 5 foot square bin, and through the course of the winter, and early spring, when the heat comes in again, this will drop down to about 18 inches of compost that we can use in the spring garden. So, Eagle Song Gardener signing off here, and look forward to seeing you down the road.